Hello, this is Melody, the massage therapist, and my friend Ruth, client Ruth, she had a great idea for a gift. She makes for Christmas for people a holiday adult beverage called apple pie, and I wanted to show you that really cool recipe in case you have people you don't know what to make for them. It's a great little drink. It's really potent. So it's a sipping drink or a shot. You don't want to drink a whole lot of it. So it's a nice little gift. I'll be back. So you take 2 gallons of apple cider, which you get in the where the fresh produce is at. So you take 2 gallons of apple cider, 1 gallon of apple juice, and it can be generic apple juice. And you take 3 apples. So my husband didn't see the directions and he started this before I was home. And he accidentally cut the apples, but you want to have them whole apples. So, and you core the middle out and you just let them simmer in it, and you try not to let it boil, or the apples, it's starting to boil, the apples will disintegrate, and then you have to strain it at the end. But you simmer for 3 hours, 2 gallons of apple cider, 1 gallon of apple juice, the 3 green apples cored, but keep them whole, and then 10 cinnamon sticks. And you simmer for 3 hours. I'll be back. After it's simmered for 3 hours, we actually took the little apples out after 2 hours because they were starting to fall apart. But if you keep them whole, you don't have to pull them out unless you see them starting to disintegrate. Then pull them out. Pull out the cinnamon sticks. You take 1/5 of vodka and 1/5 of Everclear, and you add it to the apple cider, apple juice. And 1.5 cups of scotch. It can be any scotch, not the cheapest, not the most expensive, whatever you want to add to it. And then you put it back, the lid back on, and that 3 hours of simmering you had the lid on too. And you put it on low, simmer like number 3 on an electric stove for a half an hour. So after it's cooled for 3 hours, I kind of need to strain it, so I'm going to take a big old swoop of it. Strain it. Doesn't look like there's too much in there. Actually, I don't see any in that. There were some floaties earlier. And when you pour it into your jar, I made a little label, apple pie, 100+ proof. So make your own little labels. I got these jars at IKEA for like a couple dollars each, or $1 something. And you take a cinnamon stick, or half a cinnamon stick, and you drop it in your jar. And you pour it in your jar. And you have to keep it refrigerated all the time. And you have a nice little gift for your friends. But remember, it's super potent and it tastes like apple pie. And keep it refrigerated. And there you go. Oops, I probably should switch that around. Enjoy. Be really careful with this because it tastes really good. And it tastes like apple pie. And have fun giving your friends presents. Bye-bye. Happy holidays. Merry Christmas. I forgot to mention, the longer it's in the fridge, the better it tastes. So it lasts over a year in the fridge, but only if you keep it in the fridge. Okay, now I'm saying goodbye. Bye-bye.